Welcome to your TK20 Field Binder for your University of Cincinnati School of Education field experience. I'm going to do a very quick walkthrough for you of how to complete the forms in your Field Binder. Once you log into your TK20 account, on your home screen you will see your Field Binders listed under Pending Tasks with the type Field Binder. You also can access your Field Binders from your Field Experience area by clicking on the Field Experience button in the left navigation. Here you will see a list of all of your field binders that have red pending flags if the field binder has not yet been submitted. By selecting the link for your field binder, it will open your binder and show you all of the tabs that contain documents for you to complete in TK20. Selecting one of the tabs will allow you to see all of the TK20 forms that need to be completed. The Additional Attachments option is a default and can be found on every page but does not have to be completed. By selecting one of the attachments, you will see your TK20 form that needs to be completed. Scrolling down will allow you to see the form instructions, the title of the form, as well as all required fields containing an asterisk and non-required fields that do not contain an asterisk. No form can be submitted if it does not have all of the completed fields finished. Once you've completed all required fields, scroll to the bottom of your form and select Add. Add will save your responses, but it will not submit the form to your TK20 binder yet. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see Save, that will allow you to save all of your current work, and Submit, which will allow you to formally submit the documents you've completed. Once you've hit Submit, it will either tell you that you're missing required fields in a form, or it will allow you to select the forms that you'd like to submit at this time. Note that all you have to do is select Save for your mentor, teacher, and university supervisor to be able to see that these forms have been completed. Note that everything in TK20 is a form, so even if you have a lesson plan due, you will see it's an attachment as a form, that you need to select it, and that you need to scroll down to the Select File button to be able to upload your file. You can upload Word documents or PDFs. Please complete all additional fields that have an asterisk, and then, just like the other forms, hit Add. Remember that the Attached Documents field is a default and cannot be removed, and that it does not need to be completed. Thank you for doing this quick walkthrough with me through your TK20 binder. If you have any questions on how to complete your binder or have any issues completing your binder, please email TK20support@uc.edu.